What's going on, y'all? Sean, the Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem for you. Make sure you look at this, read it, pause the video if you need to, give it a shot, and then we'll go over it together. All right, so this says the graph below shows the amounts of water that tank 1 and tank 2 contain. The tanks were each being filled at a constant rate, and tank 2 already contained an amount of water before both began to be filled. Tank 1 was filled in 40 seconds, as we see here, and tank 2 was filled in 60 seconds. According to the graph, how much water did tank 2 already contain? Now, this is a very easy problem here, but before I even give the answer, the main thing I want to point out is all the extra information. This problem could have been a whole lot shorter, but this is common with SAT math problems for them to have a lot of extra information to see if you're going to use extra information to solve the problem. This is why it's really important for you to get your math practice in so that you can kind of look, and when you read the problem, you can be like, oh, okay, I know what this is asking for. So let me point out some of this extra information. It says the tanks are being filled, each are being filled at a constant rate. And that doesn't really matter, that doesn't matter at all. And then even this part here, tank 1 was filled in 40 seconds and tank 2 was filled in 60 seconds. That's not really important. What's important, really, of course, this is what the question is asking us right here. It says tank 2 already contained an amount of water before both began to be filled. Okay? Now, time 0. This is 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Time 0 is right here. How much water did tank 1 have? This is the volume of water in gallons on the y-axis. Tank 1 had 0. Tank 2 had 4. How much water did tank 2 already contain? Right here, 4 gallons. So again, the key remains look for and even expect a lot of times to have extra information in the problem that you don't need. This means that you need to be practiced enough on the SAT where you can recognize exactly what the question statement, that last sentence there, exactly what they're asking you, because you'll know immediately what you need and what you don't need. Let me know if you got it. Yeah. All right. Y'all have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.